Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 30th August 2021. In the international market, US Treasury yields moved lower on Friday after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said in prepared remarks that central bank would begin cutting its asset purchases later this year, but rate hikes were still far off. Jerome Powell also said the timing and the pace of the coming reduction in asset purchases will not be intended to carry a direct signal regarding the timing of the interest rate liftoff, for which we have articulated a different and substantially more stringent test. With Powell's remarks, US 10-year ended 3 basis points lower at 131 and 30-year also ended 3 basis points lower at 191 percentage points on Friday. Night Fintech's assessment on Jerome Powell's comments, Fed's tapering of monthly 120 billion bond asset purchases will be reduced starting this year, but interest rate liftoff will still take some more time. We are seeing at least 3 quarters till a first rate hike, but we will have a keen eye on the emerging situations. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at 72.70. Short-term range for crude is 70 to 73. In the dollar index DXY is trading at 92.61. Yes, you heard it right, 92.61. The dollar bulls did not have a laughing day on Friday when Jerome Powell's comments of reducing the asset purchases came. DXY's range for today seems to be 92.55 to 92.91. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 647. USD INR with a high of 74.20 closed at 73.69. There were a lot of stop losses getting triggered at 74.10 when RBI did not support the level Friday. Support for USD INR now is at 73.80 and resistance at 74.20. We will have the exit ranges once the market opens today. A trading idea for USD INR, as we had informed, DXY did see some volatility, but USD INR became strong. Now 73.69 close is a good opportunity to enter for a quick 10 paisa gain, but we will have to wait for the today's market open to see the gap up opening, if any. Before that, do not jump in to go long. In the domestic market, government bond prices rose Friday after GSEC auction was successfully carried out with a stronger demand at auctions. 563 2026 closed at 568 versus 570 the previous trading day. 664 2035 closed at 681 versus 683 the previous trading day. 27th August 2021's GSEC auction analysis, if we talk about that, 563 2026 cutoff came at 569. New GI FRB 2034 at 445. 664 GS 2035 cutoff at 683. Smaller green shoe options were also exercised. This GSEC auction was in line with expectations of strong demand at auctions. As the repo hike is at least 2 quarters away, the spread between 364-day T-bill and 5-year GSEC makes it a compelling case for the auctions. Trading strategy for government securities, 610-2031 and 625 is now again attractive. Knight research team is in favor of holding 610-2031 as the coupons are attractive and the paper is not going above 627 yields. We feel we would be able to get an exit soon with 2 basis points, and even if we don't, interest income is still attractive at 625 purchasing or carrying yields. Trading range for 610-2031 would be 623 to 627. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with a new episode of Night Snippets.